everyone, today I wanted to show you how to get a course onto your dashboard or to tuck it away in case you no longer want it to be visible now that we've started a new semester. So for example, if I scroll down, I have my 2 semesters of forensics, and then I also have my 2 semesters of Avid. And so I want to remove my fall semester courses or my odd number taxonomy courses. And so one way that you can do that is by going to the Kebab extended menu button right on your dashboard and flip over to that second tab where it says move. And the very last option is to unfavorite. And so once you click that, it will prompt you. That's actually what you want to do. And it also reminds you how you can go back to access it, because removing it from the dashboard doesn't make it disappear altogether. You still have all that content. You still have access to that course. It's just not on your dashboard. You'll notice now I just have the single forensics course available. The other way that you can manage all of your courses at once is to go to your global navigation menu and click on courses and pop all the way down to the bottom to the final link where it says all courses. From there, you'll have a long list of different classes that you are associated with, and you'll notice that there are also stars right next to each of your courses. So if I wanted to locate my 2 Avid courses, I really don't need quick access on my dashboard to this one. So I can click on it to remove that star or to unshade it. And now if I go back to my dashboard, it will no longer be visible. So if you have a lot of courses that you want to kind of micromanage what is or isn't on your dashboard, it may make sense to come to your all courses listing. And if there are any courses that have expired that you want to pull old content or just peruse, scroll all the way down to the bottom and there's a list of past enrollments. So just to double check, if I click back to my dashboard, we should notice that there is now only one of my forensics courses and one of my senior Avid courses.